Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike, Mbadiwe.com. Today I have yet another amazing software. This one is called ProfitCode from Mark McKay and Radu, and in a nutshell, it's a brand new AI software apps creator that is going to help you publish unlimited SaaS solutions, mobile apps and cloud apps which you can sell, and you don't need to write any single line of code, and it has over 20 programming languages. This is insane. This is absolutely good, without you hiring developers and without you waiting for months for them to deliver your job, and without you ever programming yourself. This is what the product is about, and I am very excited. It's going live today, the 19th of October 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York, which is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. And of course, if you stick with me, I will show you all the bonuses that I have for you, which exactly is titled in this page, and also show you the software area of this very application, ProfitCode, and as well play this video for you so that you see what you've got here going for yourself. Now, if you are new to my channel, I will recommend you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And of course, at any time you decide to buy this product in the course of this review, that first link below in my description area will bring you to this amazing sales page where you pick up a copy using this very link, and when you do, a copy of this will become yours. Now let us see briefly what the sales page says, and especially what you have as benefits for this very articulate software. Imagine being able to create apps for others which you can sell on Google Store or App Store and all of that, and that's a lot of money, and it's a recurring arrangement, so it is a state-of-the-art software creator with no coding required, and that means AI does that job. It does the code and it actually creates the app according to your keyword. It could be by voice or by writing just a simple keyword of what you want to achieve, which is in turn supposed to help others, because it is in the helping others that you create value, and that value definitely will attract success. It's as simple as that. Now, it also helps you create unlimited apps from scratch using the application's army of AI developers, and you have ChatGPT-Powered AI coders. Then you write code for you 24/7, and you can also publish your dream software app today with this application. It's a real original software tool. It's impossible to distinguish between ProfitCode, AI built apps, and developer-made apps. This is what the creators are saying, and it works for cloud-based software, mobile apps, Wordpress plugins, SaaS companies. You have license, commercial license included, and of course you can offer web programming services to others because it has over 20 programming languages, okay? And you can sell software solutions and custom apps to local businesses and online clients for thousands, and of course no hosting required, no website required, integrated with 5 different payment gateways including PayPal and Stripe, very important, and the same software we've used to sell more than 250 copies of our own products with Warrior Plus account. And of course you have no monthly fees ever, no mobile iOS and Android compatible with this application. You have published cloud apps and WordPress plugins on marketplaces like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo, even more. And then you get all your software published live on the Kingmaker App Store. You have step-by-step training included in this very dashboard that I showed you before. It is beginner friendly, and you double your money back guarantee. That means if you fail, whatever you buy from this product, even if it's an upgrade, you are going to be refunded, and you have also 24/7 support from marketing gurus attached to this launch and to the creators of this amazing software creator application. Okay, so now that's what you have, and you have SEO cloud apps. You can use it for this application, content writer software, video marketing software. You have also Instagram marketing apps, WordPress plugin, Photoshop like image editor. You have also lead journey graphics creator, mobile apps maker. You have text to speech and speech to text, autoresponders, ebook makers, TikTok software, webinar software, and domain selling. Everything is packed into this one, and you have normally 3 basic steps. The step 1 will be to buy this product, possibly using that first link below in my description area, And of course, when you do, you have a copy of this very software, which is going to show you how you do so. And then step 2 will be you create, you use the army of AI developers they have installed in this application to create the apps of your dream. And you have the stage 3, you publish your app with one click without ever having to write a single line of code yourself. And that means you can sell these things on JVZ, Wordpress, Clickback, and the rest of them. So you have everything cut out for you there. And at any time you decide, a link like this will give you a copy. And these are some of the income proofs that are quoted by the creators. So I hold it that the decision to buy this product definitely has to come from the fact that it does create apps for you, which you can sell on any of the app stores, including their own app stores, and of course base your decision on that. And now let us see if we can take a look at some of the testimonials. You can see this is Anna Hedge, what it said. You can read at your convenience when you come here. You have Shenji, and you have also Alexander H. All these guys are saying good about this product. You have Jenny K, and you can also read all this yourself. I mean, the testimonies are there, so it will be left for you to actually make up your mind if this is going to be for you. But without that said, let us continue to see if we can see anything of importance. But definitely I will leave that to you when you arrive here. Now what we should do should be definitely to take a look at the software area of this very one, the dashboard area. Here you have the dashboard, you have the templates, AI images if you want to create AI images, AI chat, which means you have the ability to create a chatbot, AI code. This is where you code the softwares that you are trying to create as apps. And you have speech to text, text to speech, and of course profile, current plan, and user management. This has to do with your own account. Without wasting much time, since I was not able to lay my hands yet on the review access, definitely I'll play the video right away so that you see exactly how this works, and of course see if it's going to be for you. Okay. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel. Now let us see, take a look at the pricing for this amazing product. And you have the front end goes for $17, which gives you access to this software. And then you have also the OTO number 1, that's 6, which is the unlimited. You have the OTO number 2, which is $26.93. You have OTO number 3 as $36.93. You also have OTO number 4, $26.93. And you have this one, I believe the done for you edition, which is number 8, but number 5 is $109.97, which I guess should be the done for you for the price, you know. And you have the number 6, $97, number 7, $97, and number 8, $97. All these are upgrades that are going to help you maximize the profitability of this very application, so that you can have everything basically unlimited. If you want it done for you, then you have to buy it done for you setup edition of this ProfitCode application. Okay, so that's about the pricing we have here. Now let's see the very bonuses that I have for you. 10 of them actually, and these are training courses and ebooks. Okay, chat book mastery, everything is included here. Number 1 will be the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, which will teach you how to explode your business to the next level. You have also list building expert, and of course this is another important very aspect bonus that I have, which means you can become an expert in email marketing by having the hacks you need to get the leads that will form the basis for your subscribers, and you'll be able to create such a list that will be able to be marketable. Okay, now you have number 3, internet marketing fast start. You have also the affiliate marketing secrets, starting there to bigger email ebook. You have chatbot marketing mastery. You have build its perfect sales funnel, very important for automation. And you have also blogging for profit and email list building blueprint, just to complement with the other training you have up there. You have also copywriting crackdown to help you with your prompts, now that we are in the age and revolution with AI. So you have the ability to know how to prompt to bring out the best strategies you can from them. And of course that will bring us definitely gradually towards the end of this amazing product review for ProfitCode from Mark McKay and what is his name, Radu. And this is going live today, the 19th of October 2023 at exactly 5 a.m. 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. Central European Time, and of course 4 p.m. GMT. Okay, so that's about the much we can do with this ProfitCode review. I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. I will be back to you in my next review. Till then, I remember your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, guys, and from me. It's goodbye.